welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shared kitchen facility business. So as a business owner, I receive a lot of messages on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot by using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow, and then whenever a user is going to send a message to our WhatsApp chat, then automatically our chatbot is going to reply to that message. So now here to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shared kitchen facility to automate replies, share important details, and handle inquiries 24/7. It's a great way to save time and give your customers instant support. Alright, so here on the screen, you can see the WhatsApp chatbot that I've already created for my shared kitchen facility business using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp chat. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop the text over here as, hey, I want to book a slot. And here you can see we have received a message as, hello and welcome to Chef Space Kitchens. We are excited to support your culinary journey. Please choose an option to get started. And here we have received 3 quick reply button as check availability, view pricing, or book a slot. So let's click on this book a slot. And here you can see we have received the message as, to book a kitchen slot, please visit our website or give us a call. And here we have received the website link, and here we have received the caller's number over here. And it says we'll be happy to assist you. And similarly, we are going to click on this view pricing. And here you can see we have received the pricing details over here, and here we have received the quick reply button as book a slot. And then we are going to click on this check availability, and here you can see we have received the response as, our kitchens are available on hourly, half day and full day plans. Please reply with your preferred date and time. So here I'm going to add the date as 10th June 1 p.m. And it says, thank you, our team will check the schedule and get back to you shortly with the confirmation. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this chatbot that I've already created for my shared kitchen facility business. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this chatbot using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow, we have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chat Flow. So here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to access Pabbly Chat Flow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow, and here let me tell you that I've already set up my Pabbly Chat Flow account over here. So let me give an overview that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. So for that, you need to click on this add a WhatsApp number button given over here, and here you can see 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. So here you must use this particular method to set up a Pabbly Chat Flow account. And here if you wish to learn this method, then you can find the video link available in our description box below and also on our YouTube channel. And if you wish to select the manual token connect, then it is going to ask for the Meta access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta. And once you're going to set up the account, automatically you're going to get all these details. And after adding the details over here, you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. And now here let me tell you that Pabbly Chat Flow offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to the specific feature available over here. So now let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contacts. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queues. So by using this this feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to your each team member over here. Then comes the templates. So by using this feature, you can create and manage the message templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flows. So by using this particular feature, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity log. So in this particular feature, you can see the entire activity of your Pabbly Chatflow account at one place. Then comes the settings, and here in the settings you can see some more features as well. So here, if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help option. So by using this particular option, you can get all your responses regarding the queries related to Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chatflow, and now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I am going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. Now here to this flow builder, you can see all the flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So in this particular case, we are going to build a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business, and for that we are going to add a new flow over here. Now here in this flow window, we are going to give a name to our chatbot first. So here I'm going to give the name as WhatsApp chatbot for your shared kitchen facility business. And now here to giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can select the trigger as keywords, regex or the template. So here, if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can add some keywords or the regex as well. So here, if you will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. For example, if we add a keyword like hey, that is a very basic keyword. So for that, we need to type the keyword first, and then we need to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. So now whenever a user sends a message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, tell me about these services, while another might write, can I book a slot? So here, instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expression, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect the common inquiry word regardless of variations and capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each case sensitive regex only. Alright, so now after adding the flow start, we are going to move forward, and here I want, as soon as I'm going to receive a message on my WhatsApp number through any of my user, then I want to send a hello or a welcome message to that user. So for that, I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as hello and welcome to Chef Space Kitchens. We are excited to support your culinary journey. Please choose an option to get started. Alright, so here I've successfully added a text over here, and here you can see I've used asterisks before and after my brand name, because here I wanted to make this text bold. So here you need to use this particular text format to make your text bold. Alright, so now after entering the message, I'm going to add some quick reply button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as check availability, view pricing and book a slot. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed the entire message box over here. Now further, we are going to build the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button. So let's start with the check availability. So if my user is going to select this particular option, then I want to ask the customer a question, that is preferred time and date, so that I can check the booked slots. So now here to ask the question, we are going to click on this action type notes, and from here we are going to drag this ask a question message box over here, and then here we are going to enter the text as our kitchens are available on hourly, half day and full day plans. Please reply with your preferred date and time over here. Alright, so here after entering the text, it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here I've already created a contact custom field for my preferred time, and here if you wish to learn about what is this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this specific feature. And here let me tell you that how you can access this contact custom field. So for that, you need to click on the settings, and from here you will be able to see the option of contact custom fields over here. Alright, so here I'm going to select the field that I've already created with the name preferred time over here, and then I'm going to select the format as text so that my customer can reply with the time and the date over here. Alright, so then here is asking me to select the number of attempts. So I'm going to add the number of attempt as 1, and then here is asking me to enter the validation error message. So here I don't want to enter any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box. Now I want that if my customer is going to reply with the preferred time and date, then I want to send a small confirmation message to my customer. So for that, I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as thank you, our team will check the schedule and get back to you shortly with the confirmation. Alright, so with this we have successfully added a small message box over here, and with this we have successfully completed the WhatsApp chatbot for this quick reply button. Now we are going to move forward with the second quick reply button, that is view pricing. So for that we are going to add another text box over here, but firstly I'm going to move it little upwards, and then I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as here's our standard pricing. These are the pricing with the plans, and it says all bookings include access to our equipment and cleaning support. Alright, so now after adding the message, I'm going to add a quick reply button over here where I'm going to enter the text as book a slot. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well, and here you can see this quick reply button is similar to the quick reply button added over here in the main message box. So now we are going to further build the WhatsApp chatbot for this quick reply button. So if my customer is going to select book a slot, then I want to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as to book a kitchen slot, please visit our website or give us a call. Here we have added the website, and here we have added the phone number. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now here we have successfully built the entire WhatsApp chatbot for our shared kitchen facility business. So this is a very small and simple chatbot that I've created over here for my business, but similarly you can add some more text boxes or question message boxes for your WhatsApp chatbot. So here I've built this small chatbot, and now I'm going to save this flow first by clicking on the save button, and it says flow updated successfully. So now after saving the flow, we are going to see the working of this chatbot once again, and for that let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account, and now here I'm going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch. Alright, so again let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and I'm going to drop the text as hey, I want to know about your pricing. And it says hello and welcome to Chef Space Kitchens. We are excited to support your culinary journey. Please choose an option to get started. And here we have received these 3 quick reply button. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot. So here we have set up the flow start as the regex, and here we have added a hello or a welcome message for our customers with the quick reply button as check availability, view pricing and book a slot. And then further we have set up the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button where we have asked about the preferred date and time from our customer using a question message box and the contact custom field. And then further we have added the message box for the same. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created. And now here, if you wish to learn about such amazing chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. And now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can visit forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.